I'm going to show you how to download apps for your HP laptop on Windows 11. All we need to do is head on down to our search bar, or if you don't have the search bar at the bottom, press your start bar and then click search. And all we want to look for is Microsoft Store, and then click on this. The Microsoft Store should be pre-installed with your Windows laptop and will allow you to browse and download many different applications. So what we can do is we can navigate to the left and click apps. And here we can navigate and look at all of the different free apps, or we can select a category here. Worth noting that not all apps within Microsoft Store are free. Some will be paid. Again, though, you can click must have free apps and you can browse some of the most popular applications on Microsoft Store. Alternatively, if you know exactly what you're looking for, you can navigate to the search bar at the very top, type in something like Notepad, and you'll be able to install the Windows official Notepad application. All you do here is press get, and then once it's installed, you'll be able to open it up on your computer. It's really that simple. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.